Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to type physics symbols in Microsoft Word. So it is very easy. First of all, just go to File, click on Options, and here we need to click on Proofing and click on Autocorrect Options. Here we need to head to Math Autocorrect option, and right here just check both of these boxes, and here you can see in this list you will see a lot of physics symbols, and you can just type them by inserting their kind of formula. So here you can see this is the formula for this, above this is the formula for alpha, beta, and all of the symbols are right here. So let's suppose I want to type some symbols, and let me check whether they are typing or not. So if I hit this and beta, hit enter, you can see this is the symbol for beta. Now if I type here lambda, I'll let's suppose type this time delta, pi, and not only that, you can also paste symbols from Chrome itself. Like if I type here, let's suppose infinity symbol, and from here I can just copy this and paste this on my Word document. And yeah, these are two ways to type physics symbols in your Microsoft Word document. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.